welcome to my YouTube video, and this is the cheapest way you can make rice water and make it have a good scent as well at the same time. So basically what you will need, you can either choose a narky or an orange, it depends on what you like, and you also need a lemon, definitely need a lemon. So basically that's all, these are all the ingredients you need. So it depends on what you prefer, you can use a narky or an orange, but at this I prefer using a narky, kind of has a stronger scent. So basically I use the peels of the narky and I put it in the water. Secondly, you're gonna need some rice, and the quantity depends on the type of bottle you're gonna put it in. So just put enough for that one bottle. So if a bottle is somewhat this size, then you're gonna need a little bit more rice water than this, but it really depends on what you want. I wouldn't have a recommended scale for it. What I like to do is rinse it first. I rinse because that stuff is gonna go to my hair, so gotta make sure that it's clean and ready to go. So I just cut the lemon in half, and all you need basically for just one full bottle of rice water is you just need at least a quarter of it. Is far enough, it's good enough. So what I usually do is that I literally squeeze it in and put all that nice juice inside, make sure everything is out, and then just to make sure that this is also not wasted, I cut it up and I also add it into the water as well. So I just rinsed the rice and I've cut up the lemons, and I have my narky peels so basically now I'm just going to put it in a bottle and mix it all together, and this is the final result. You can see the rice water down there, you can see the narky peels and you can see the lemons that are there. So if you actually smell this, the smell is really dominated by the lemons, and you can smell a bit of narky in it. It's been I've left it in for 10 hours already, and it smells really good. It still smells good, and it has retained its smell. So this is really the cheapest way you can do it. And afterwards, nothing is wasted because I use the lemons on my water, and like my drinking water, and I eat the narky right after. And you can pour this water in any bottle spray you prefer, so that you can use it at a daily basis or weekly basis. It really depends on you, but I use it on a daily basis. I basically use it as a spray to comb my hair to make it soft so that it doesn't break. But yeah, this is the end result, and it never smells, and it's perfectly clean. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment down below if you liked the video.